Kaserbisyo of the day.
Kasama po natin ngayong umaga walang iba kundi ang Filipino astrologer na si Sir Resty Santiago. Magandang umaga po and happy Chinese New Year, sir.
Yes, good morning at happy lunar year, no? Or actually in translation daw nitong Kung Hay Patchoy is may you have a prosperous new year.
Yes.
Ayan, lahat tayo. Ano, yan ang ating wish. Buti na lang, no, 2 beses tayo celebrate. No? Meron nung January 1 and today. Okay, ano po ang ibig sabihin nitong pagpasok ng Year of the Fire Horse?
Well, basically dito sa we call this Chinese metaphysics, no. So every around February, nagshi-shift ng energy, no. So kumbaga kung ano yung swerte last year may no longer be swerte, no. So in terms of let's say sa bahay, yung unlucky dati baka lucky na ngayon. So may mga changes in terms of energy. Makikita o mapapansin natin yan sa certain events, no. But at the same time meron siyang hidden side na yung energy level na yun ang tinatap natin sa Feng Shui.
Opo. Sir Resty, pag sinabing swerte, I think yan ang kumbaga aspiration ng Pinoy culture eh. But let's
Yes.
define it. Pag sinabing swerte para sa Pilipino, ano po ba itong mga elementong ito?
Okay, that's a very good question. Siguro nga para maliwanagan at ma-maximize natin yung Feng Shui na kailangan nating i-define. Sa astrology kasi, astrology and Feng Shui is not magic. No, it's not magic. No? So, yung mentality na pag sinabing, naglagay ka ng bagay na to, swerte ka na. So, it doesn't work that way. No? So, we still believe that yung luck is actually a combination of preparation plus timing. No? So, yung element ng timing that's beyond our control, yung within our control naman kung ano yung preparation mo. So, pag nag-match yan, you are luckier.
Tapos yung effect niyan, like swerte ba sa pag-ibig, swerte sa pera, swerte sa buhay, ano po yung usual na sa mga Pilipino?
Well, generally speaking, pag sinabi nating swerte, may opportunities. No? May opportunities. Kaya kailangan you look ahead para ma-prepare mo yung sarili mo. Kasi for example, single ka, hindi ka naman nag-aayos ng itsura mo, tapos lumabas ka at the right timing, you're supposed to have met somebody, baka dumaan lang, hindi kayo nag-usap. Tipong gano'n, you have to prepare also.
Ayan, hindi naman pwedeng bara-bara lang. Oo. Okay, so isa-isahin po natin yan kasi ngayong Year of the Fire Horse, gusto malaman ng mga tao yung kanilang magiging swerte or kumbaga sabi niyo, preparations. Kasi pag swerte, sa totoo lang po ako, yung mga nagsusuot ng ganon, yung marami hindi ko maintindihan bakit pag nagsuot ako ng ganon, kesyo.
Yes.
Sasabihin sa'yo, wala namang mawawala.
Okay.
Pero hindi ko pa rin, hindi nakakainis pa rin yung tao na yon or hindi pa. Example, kahit isuot mo yung kung ano mang gusto mong isuot, di ba? Or hindi pa rin siya mabait.
Oo nga.
Examples lang.
Oo nga.
So sa tingin mo ba, nagsuot ka nung bumait ka na?
Bumait ka.
Yun ka pa rin di ba? I mean, sorry po.
Yes,
yun lang po
yes,
yung
yes.
isa kong
Yeah. Okay,
reality.
Holiday.
Sorry, happy Chinese New Year.
Sige
So,
po, sige po.
I think you have invited the right person.
Yes.
Yeah, kasi parang magsuot ka nito, sasabihin sa'yo, kasi swerte ka sa ganun, talaga ba?
Oo nga.
Diba?
Yung hashtag na ginagamit ko sa Facebook, Feng Shui or Feng Shui without items.
Kasi tapos may binibenta po ba kayo?
Wala.
Ayun.
Wala. It's more on, again, keyword natin is preparation, alignment, and timing. No? So, walang items. No? So, tama yung observation mo. No? Parang, ang problema sa Pilipino, yung sabi mo nga, Migs kanina, is na medyo natutuon tayo doon sa parang general swerte. Tapos yung keyword na pampaswerte. No? So, parang external of us. No? So, kaya ang dala ko is called the classical system of Feng Shui na hindi yun ang important, hindi yung items. It's more on your preparation, tapos kung sa Feng Shui level na, saan ka pupesto sa bahay or sa office, kung saan ka haharap. So doon mo ma-harness yung energy of the universe. At yun nga, I don't think may effect yung mga items.
Katulad ng anong klaseng preparasyon, sir?
Preparation. Number one is at the beginning of the year, alam niyo kung bakit yung Chinese New Year is always on a new moon, no? It's always on the new moon. Yung new moon kasi parang it's like the womb, no? Okay, it's like the womb. When during the new moon, you cannot see the moon, no? Walang light, no. Tapos as the day progresses, no, lumalaki yung buwan. No? So yung element na yun, no, yung factor na yun na pag nagtanim ka ng isang bagay sa new moon or the beginning of the year, yung energy niya palaki. So the preparation actually is magtatanim ka. Magtatanim ka ng seed idea, magtatanim ka ng mga plano mo, no. So the best way to prepare for the next 12 months is actually to have a very clear plan, no? Maybe per quarter, per month, no? Per week, no? So gano'n. So para it's also like parang working, no? Or co-creating, no? With the universe na may goal ka, but at the same time, meron kang step-by-step preparation at yun yung susuplayan, no? Nung supposed to be good feng shui.
So ano po yun, mga step-by-step preparation na maaari naming gawin sa pagpasok po ng Year of the Fire Horse?
Okay, so one basic, no, na ginagawa, no, ng feng shui practitioners, for example, no, meron tinatawag na pag-welcome, no, doon sa lucky energy, no. This is very simple, no. Again, it's like preparing your mind, no. So kumbaga, ito number 1, actually ngayon anong oras na ba, no? So ngayon between 11 to 1 PM, no. So harap ka sa south, no. And then simply make a wish, no? Or i-visualize mo yung goal mo for the year when you face that direction. So ngayon, no, mag-relax ka lang ng konti, no? Close your eyes. If you can, count 64 to 1 para medyo mag-slow down yung mind mo, yung vibration ng mind, at you are more attuned, no, to your environment, to the universe. And then visualize mo yung plan mo. It's not magic, no? It's more on you are aligning your plans
Tama.
with the energy of the universe. Parang ito yung pinoproject mo sa future.
Yun ba yung sinasabi nilang parang
Manifesting.
self-fulfilling prophecy or manifest?
It's not prophecy. I think it's more in line now with the manifestation.
You visualize your future and then,
Yung pala yung
follow
symbolism, sir, yung new moon, kasi para siyang clean slate. Di ba? Parang
Yes.
iniiwan, kasi di ba, pagdating sa moon, may mga iba-ibang klase. Yung new moon kasi clear yun eh. So, kapag clear, blank slate yung papasok ng Lunar New Year mo, magagawa mo ng no judgment, di ba? Para magagawa mo ng kung sa gusto mo.
Yes.
So give us examples. Ano po yung pwede naming i-visualize?
Okay, so kung ano yung goal mo. So for example, no, anong goal mo for the year?
Good health. Sabi natin, good health.
Okay,
Ako rin, sana makapag-exercise na rin ako.
Okay, no. So number 1 kasi, no, it stems from the idea that the mind is very powerful, no. So we don't usually harness, no, the energy of the mind. So at the beginning of the year or at the beginning of the month, no, ang timing natin is the new moon itself, no. So magplano ka, no? It can be as simple as susulat mo yung plano mo. So for example, for health matters, you plan that let's say in terms of pounds siguro you want to lose weight, no, or you want to gain whatever. I don't know yung metrics, no? Kayo yung maglalagay ng metrics. Tapos 6 months, 12 months, tapos subdivide mo into weeks. No? Kung ano gagawin mo, syempre, you go to the gym, you minimize eating whatever. No? So you put it down, write it on paper, tapos visualize that. Ano yung outcome mo? No? So that's for health. No? So for example, kung businessman ka naman, business person, ano? So pwede kang mag-set ng sales target, no, for the year. Tapos subdivide mo into quarter. Tapos ano yung gagawin mo para ma-reach mo yan, no, within the next 6 months, 12 months.
Yung mga,
Practical. Oo.
It doesn't have to be magical.
Yeah.
Hanggang ngayon tinatanong pa rin ko, paano ba yung how to find love? Yung mga single ngayon.
Okay, so
Kasi
nakatingin
nasa
ako
kulay
dun eh.
natin, sir. Nasa kulay
Sino
natin.
ba dyan?
yeah. Okay, so with that kind of practice, ganun din, so ano ba yung, kaya lang pag sa love kasi dalawang bagay yan, no? So ano ba yung what can you offer, no, to the relationship? So you exude, no, an aura of let's say love, no, let's say caring nature, no. Ngayon ibabagay mo sa personality mo, baka naman sobrang change ng personality, hindi magmamatch, no. So tipong ganun, you make yourself more lovable, no. Okay, tapos
Sandali. Let's just focus on that. Make yourself more lovable.
Totoo naman.
How do you do that?
Totoo naman. Good nature, kindness,
Oo,
di ba?
sweet,
Loving, caring,
caring,
pero kasi
understanding.
Patient,
Oo.
kind, lahat na.
kung single ka, syempre magsimula ka sa physical
Okay.
looks, no? So kumbaga mag-improve, no? Magdamit-damit.
Magupit ka.
Oo,
Oo.
ganun.
Kailangan.
Maganda, good
Oo.
presentation.
Yes. Siyempre yan talaga sa umpisa.
Yes, sa
Oo,
umpisa.
sa umpisa.
Yeah. Tapos yun nga, no? Although a bit more complex doon sa feng shui yan, no? May ginagawa sa feng shui na maglalagay ka ng water in a certain sector, tapos water and plant, no, on a certain sector to enhance, no, the energy of attraction. So but that's a bit more complex. May computation pa yan.
Okay, but in general po yung kaya namin gawin ngayon, kunyari sa bahay namin, 'di ba? Sabi niyo yung iba kasi minsan may mga tubig, 'di ba? Yung parang may
Or
waterfalls,
sa-
may naririnig ka.
Sa kulay, may ganun din bang factor?
Yung
plants.
kulay, ang effect ng kulay is more of the psychological, no. So hindi siya directly affecting the chi, no. The chi is the energy of the environment. But yes, no, okay naman na we have bright, colorful. We wear bright, colorful clothings.
Oo. But what about yung arrangement daw po sa bahay, for example? Paano ba namin gagawin yan?
Okay, so ito na yung direct, no? Direct na feng shui, no? So ang una is may mapping, no? You have to map the energy of the year. Pero simple lang naman, simple lang. So any floor area, no? Bounded, no, by 4 walls, pwede mong gawa ng chart, no? Yung chart is i-divide mo lang yung floor area into 9 equal boxes. Tatlo. So 9 na yan, ano? Tapos tatayo ka lang sa gitna, no, ng bahay, ng office, or ng kwarto. So for example, dito, tatayo ka dyan. Tapos kuhanin mo kung ano yung compass reading. Madali naman na ngayon kasi every phone more or less may compass.
May compass.
So hanapin mo lang kung nasaan yung, you start with the north, no? Hindi ka naman or even east or west, whichever, no? Fix naman yan eh, no? So kung tapat mo sa isang area, so that is for example south. Ang katabi niya is southwest, west, no? So i-fill-in mo lang yung 8 directions. Okay, so may mark na, no? Naka-mark na, no? So for example, no? One topic, give me one topic.
In the house, sir?
In the house?
Hindi, topic. For the year, anong gusto mo? Anong focus mo for the year?
For example, yung iba gusto maging successful, let's say, money,
Okay,
financial.
money.
Okay, money.
Oh.
Okay. So kung business person ka, money is the most important one, ano? So ang area ng money, dalawa, no? Okay. So doon ka sa east tsaka sa southeast. Okay, no? So hanapin mo, compass, no? Nasaan ang southeast? O ayun. So doon ka pupesto, okay? O kaya saan ang east? Doon ka lang pupesto sa east. Ang ibig sabihin nun, doon ka magtatrabaho. Doon ka tatawag, no? You don't have to put an item, no? Ito yung difference ng ginagawa ko doon sa karamihan, 99% ata. Okay? Ikaw ang pupesto doon, hindi item, no? Kasi the energy is there. Pagka nandun ka nakipag-usap ka sa client, no? You tap the lucky energy. So kumbaga mas supportive sa iyo yung environment. So more or less the chances of being ma-achieve mo yung financial goals mo pag nandoon ka sa east and southeast. Ang difference lang nung southeast brings opportunities. Parang mag-expand ka ng market doon ka sa southeast, no? May bago kang product doon ka sa southeast, no? Okay, yung east more on the routine, no? So let's say and to improve the cash flow doon sa existing clientele mo.
Southeast,
okay.
parang Southeast Asia.
Oo nga. Oo,
Diba?
diba?
Yes.
Oo.
On the bigger scale,
Yeah.
we are now in the so-called period 9 na ang highlight is the south and the southeast.
Yes.
So ang luckiest countries yung Southeast Asian countries tsaka southern parts, no, ng isang continent such as India.
In terms of economy?
In terms of economy, yes.
Sana
About,
naman.
Oo, kasama tayo dyan. What
Ang
about,
Pilipinas.
let's say, well, I don't wanna say it, pero calamities. di ba?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. May tinatawag na calamity star. Okay. It's in the south for the year, no. Yung sinabi ko kanina, that's for the entire 20 years, no. Okay. So yung south ngayon is called the disaster star, no. So nasa south, no. Okay. So the same principle na binanggit ko kanina, pag lucky doon ka. Okay. Pag unlucky, wag ka doon. Okay. So it becomes a problem pagka yung bedroom mo, your stove and your main door is in the south.
Naku, kailangan ng compass
Stove,
dyan, ano? Para,
main door,
Oo.
south.
Bakit yung stove? Bakit
Yung
ayaw
stove
mo
kasi
dun yung
is
paglutuan?
the food no you
Oo.
eat no, that's where you cook no. Because that is the unlucky energy, mas madaling magkasakit.
Tunog. Hindi,
Pero sir,
akala-
paano yun? Sabi natin yung
Yung
main door,
niluluto.
parang medyo immovable na yun ah.
Kaya nga,
Ay,
oo.
hindi
Kaya
magalaw
nga,
na.
oo.
Andun na yung door.
Andun na yung
Yes,
door.
no, kaya nga that's one thing na talagang binabantayan. No? Anyway, ang simple matter is to put a large metal item, no, object, no. So it
Metal.
doesn't have to be
Okay.
the expensive figurines, no. Anything metal ilalagay mo lang doon sa
Bakit metal?
sa south,
Kasi
no?
hindi siya natutunaw sa fire. Ganun ba yun?
Hindi,
Hindi.
no. Ang pinakamagandang example or illustration niyan is pagka dumikit ka sa metallic object, no, yung compass mali yung
Okay.
reading or gagalaw siya, no.
So
So parang
meron siyang artificial na pag
Isi-shift-
rearrange.
may isi-shift ba niya yung
Oo.
energy
shifting,
na
no,
yan?
nasi-shift yung energy, no. So
Right.
pag yung negative ng south, no, pag naglagay ka ng metal, sort of lumilihis.
Oo.
Paano ko
Parang
napunta
pangontra.
sa mahal mo sa buhay or sa
Hindi na,
Sa
basta
kapitbahay.
Sa kapitbahay.
Sa kapitbahay.
na ayaw kang
Meron mga kapitbahay na hindi mapagbigay. Marami
kunyari
Oo.
yung tanim nga lang kunyari
Oo.
pinitas mo
O kaya nakaharang yung mga sasakyan, hindi
Okay,
nagbibigay
ganun
sa
din, oh.
kapitbahay. Ay, may kakilala akong ganyan.
sana po wag po ilagay mo na yung metal doon.
Joke lang. Oo.
Okay. Although may positive use din naman yung disaster star na tinatawag natin sa south, no. If you want to change something in your life, no, so may bad habit ka, smoking for example, no, or kung sa health buff, no, gusto mo nang bawasan yung rice or mga
Yeah,
ganun.
gusto
ano.
mo pumayat. I mean,
yeah.
as simple as that.
Yes,
Oo.
you can use the south or the disaster star in that area. So may purpose din naman, ano. Yun lang, for business matters talagang hindi pwede.
Naku, kailangan mo talagang i-ano. Kaya talaga yung mga Chinese, meron na silang mga, di ba, Chinese-Filipino. Nagpapa-feng shui po sila bago
Yes,
sila,
yes.
di ba, mag-arrange or mag-build.
Pagdating sa health, sir, yung mga more on the mga illnesses,
Oo.
not necessarily on the physical, pero syempre better health, yung mga may mga comorbidities, may mga pinagdadaanan, etc., sir.
Yeah, okay. So for health matters naman, lalo na kung dalawang bagay pala yan, ano, merong iiwasan, tsaka merong the best location, no, to recuperate, no. Okay. So let's say yung iiwasan number 1 is the northwest sector. No? Okay. So again, simple lang, at kuhanin mo lang yung compass, doon ka sa gitna, nasaan ang northwest. Yan, eksakto naman yan, ano.
So, huwag ka doon.
Huwag ka doon. Oo. So, huwag ka doon, ano. Huwag ka doon
Huwag ka tumambay.
magpapahinga, huwag kang
Oo.
tatambay doon.
Or kung doon yung kama mo, huwag ka doon matulog.
I-rearrange
Diba?
mo. Oo.
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 Okay. O kaya
Okay.
pwede ka rin naman yung parang day bed, no. Kung magpahinga ka doon sa susunod na direction, which is actually the north.
So, ang
okay.
question ko, is it
Maswerte ang North ngayon? Ano ba?
Kasi yung parang energy of healing mas nandoon sa north.
Sa North.
Nasa North.
So,
Not
South,
necessarily maswerte sa business, pero for healing,
for
it's
healing.
more applicable.
And then just going back to mga calamities, wag naman po sana, pero 'di ba sabi niyo south, meaning southern part of the Philippines, mas maraming maaaring mangyaring, let's say, pagbaha, pag-ulan,
Based on that, yes.
like Mindanao area.
Mindanao area. Ano. But then anyway, syempre yung typhoons naman, given na dumadaan yan sa Pilipinas talaga. So
Oo.
kumbaga yung areas na yan, southern Luzon, southern Mindanao, or south, no, in general, sabihin natin they just have to be more alert, no. So kumbaga bantayan lagi yung weather forecast.
Okay.
And, be more prepared, sabi
Be more
nga.
prepared.
Yes.
Prepared.
And being an astrologer po, kasi dyan na rin pumapasok, syempre curious yung ating mga kababayan. Ano ba ang nakikita nyo na magiging, kumbaga, kapalaran ba yun? Ko, kapag ito ang aking zodiac sign o pag
Okay.
pinanganak ako sa year of the ganito, pwede po ba nating isa-isahin?
Okay.
Para yung mga kababayan natin nakikinig ngayon,
Okay.
interesado sila dyan palagi
Okay,
Oo.
sige. So we'll start with the first sign, which is the rat. No, rat is a water element. No, although tinatawag dito is the rat is the year breaker. No, so kontra siya doon sa horse. No, fire and water. No, parang may clash. No, so for the rat, no, this is the year to change. No, to reboot. no? Parang palitan na yung mga hindi nagwo-work, no, sa buhay nila at come up, no, with a new system, no? So it doesn't have to be very bad, no? Yung ibang forecast actually is a bad year. But then again, depende sa preparation mo, depende sa pagkatao, no? Okay.
Okay, next after rat is
The ox, no, is
Okay.
an earth element, no. So medyo mas compatible naman itong energy ng fire kasi fire produces, no, the earth, no. So mas supportive, no, sa ox yung energy of the year. And then meron ding sort of additional help, no, dito sa ox, no. Kaya may room for growth, no, may opportunities coming from other people, no. So it's actually a good year, no, to solve problems, to become more parang to bring out, no, the best, no, nung ox.
okay.
Okay.
And
Okay, the
then?
next is the tiger, which is it's a wood element, no. So yung yung wood naman, it feeds fire, no? So kumbaga, kailangan niyang mag-shine somehow, no? Kailangan niyang tumulong sa ibang tao, kailangan niyang ilabas, no, yung galing niya, no, para minsan when problems arise, no, 'di ba? Parang doon lumalabas yung galing mo, yung genius mo, no? So parang I think that's the the energy for dalawa kasi yung wood, no? That's for the tiger tsaka yung sa rabbit, no? So silang dalawa is more on called on to help more people so that they can, no, practice or maximize their talents.
Oh, actually medyo marami-rami. Nasa
12 yan eh, di ba?
12 na,
12 po,
12 na yan.
di ba?
12,
Oh, sige,
oo.
may time pa tayo.
Oo, okay. Sige, so
Next.
dragon.
Okay, dragon.
Oh, nako, eto.
Oo.
Talaga naman,
Kasi tinusundan ko
Dragon
lang
ba
yung
talaga?
listahan eh.
Kasi
Dragon
to
nga
katabi
tapos
ko
snake na eh.
Ah, okay,
Oo,
sige.
dragon
Sige.
muna, sir.
Okay,
Oo.
dragon. Ano?
Oo.
Okay, dragon naman is an earth sign or earth element. Ano? So again, pagka earth, supportive or binibigyan ka ng opportunity ng fire horse. No? So tanggapin mo, ibig sabihin, pwedeng dadami yung trabaho mo. No?
Wow.
But then, hindi, yung iba kasi, di ba? Ayaw.
Ayaw pala. Ano sa kay Migs,
Ay, di ako
gusto
tanggap
namin.
ako eh. Gusto natin
game.
yan.
Ah,
Oo.
tanggap, no? Kasi, yeah, it might be difficult at first, no? Kaya, kailangan i-welcome mo yung mga additional responsibilities, no? That's another keyword, no? Para, again, ang ideal natin is so that we can thrive, no, in this year.
Snake, sir. Snake.
Snake, no, it's a fire combination, so it's more like a friendship, no. So friendly, no, sa snake, no, yung energy of the year. So ibig sabihin niya madami kang makakilala, madami kang opportunities. For example, kung collaborator, no, for example, content provider ka, you can collaborate, no, o with other people. Kung nasa business ka, yeah, yung mga partnership mismo, literal partnership, no, with other businesses, no.
Okay.
Ito na, horse.
Horse.
A fire horse.
Okay, so itong horse ang 50-50, no? So
Kahit na year mo to.
it's a
Okay.
make or break year.
Oh.
Okay, so depende sa mindset, no? Depende sa mindset, no? Okay, kasi the horse, we call that, no? The Grand Duke is in the sign of the horse, so it means that you will be, no, in the spotlight, no, in the limelight, no. So kung gumawa ka na mabuti, ma-highlight 'yan, ano. Kung yung approach mo is yeah, let's say
Mukha na masama.
gumawa ka na masama,
Eh, di
no, ma-highlight
highlighted
din
ka
yun,
rin,
ano.
oo.
So depende sa ginagawa mo, no. Kaya you have to be very careful, no, kung horse ka. This is the year na ma-highlight, no, lahat ng ginagawa.
Hopefully all good things para sa horse. Goat naman po. Goat
goat.
and monkey.
Okay,
Yes.
sige, so goat is also an earth sign, ano. Tapos yung goat, no, may specific na positive energy sa goat, no. Kaya maganda itong year for them. Meron tinatawag na sun virtue, no, which means vitality, which means also, no, visibility, no. So for the goat, this is the time for them to do more, to be more visible, no, to other people.
Mhm. Monkey.
Monkey is a metal element, no. Medyo ito yung kontra, no. May kontra itong energy of the year kasi minimelt, no, ng fire itong metal, no. But again, ano, sa positive use, no, o sa positive thinking natin na dapat i-apply is that yung symbolism ng the sword, no, is actually forged, no, by fire, no. So tipong ganun, no, it's like stealing, it's like learning from the hard experiences in life, but that would make you stronger. So welcome the problems, face it, no, at yeah, you will come out stronger.
Apo, last three, rooster, dog, and pig.
Okay, Rooster, meron ding lucky influence, no? I think okay, this is the moon virtue, no? Moon virtue is about communications, no? So ang luck niya, no, is about, no, the ability to explain things, the ability to connect, no, to understand the people around them, no. So despite the rooster is also a metal element, no. The keyword is yan, parang listen, no? Listen to others at para ma-prevent, no, itong let's say unnecessary conflict or trials.
Dog.
Okay, dog. No? Dog is also another earth sign, ano, na compatible, no, with the energy of the year. No? So, yeah, just do what you are doing, no, continue, and siguro very important is you set up systems, no, on how you can sort of leverage or scale, no, your business or yung reach mo, whatever you are doing.
Panghuli, sir, ang pig po.
Okay, pig, no, it's a water sign, ano. Ang what's significant, no, dito sa year's chart is walang water sign doon sa chart of the year. Kaya yung mga water signs, no, such as the pig and the rat, no. Yung rat kanina sabi natin clash, ano. So generally not so good. Pero yung ideas nila, kasi water is the sign of intelligence and wisdom, no? So yung what they can offer will actually be in demand, no? So despite pwede silang mapagod, ma-deplete, no? But then they will be more in demand, so make the most out of that attention.
Oh, and then mapunta naman po tayo sa zodiac. Isa-isahin lang natin ng mabilis kasi interesado rin yung mga tao, may mga nagme-message po dito. Unahin po natin tong Aries, Taurus, and Gemini.
Okay. Western astrology naman. Yeah, okay. So actually, I started with the Western astrology. Okay, so anyway, sige. So Aries, no? Ang pinaka-importante ngayon is that Saturn is now in Aries, no? Which is the sign of limitation yung Saturn, no? Okay, so again, dalawa lagi yan, positive or negative, no? Okay, so ang negative dito, Saturn is restriction, ano? Ang positive dito is order, no? You bring order into your life. Okay, that's for the sign Aries, no? For the sign Taurus, ang significant this year is the turning of retrograde of the ruler of Taurus, which is Venus, by the end of the year, you know? So kumbaga, may issues on love and relationship, no? So siguraduhin mo sa sarili mo kung ano yung gusto mo, at yan, no, parang test kung kailangan i-test mo yung partner mo, or kung single ka naman, pag single ka, yung sarili mo naman ang i-test mo or babaguhin mo.
So Gemini.
Okay, Gemini, the most important is that the planet of technology, the planet of the genius will be in the sign of Gemini. So sila yung madaming ideas ngayon. So yun lang, ideas must also be must find, no, practical application. So yun ang challenge for the Gemini. You have lots of ideas but you have to act on it.
Cancer.
Okay, Cancer is the lucky yes sign until June, no? So pag lucky dito, it means opportunities, no? So grab opportunities, no? May pagka hindi naman mabagal pero madaming kino-consider kasi yung Cancer, no? So for the rest of the year, siguro it's all right to say na take calculated risks, no, for the sign ng Cancer.
Leo.
Okay, Leo, no? Leo naman is the luckiest sign for the second half of the year, you know. And actually mag-extend yan until second half next year. 12 months kasi yan, yung luck based on the planet Jupiter, you know. So again, new beginnings naman siguro yung mas applicable sa Leo, no? Dahil nasa phase pa siya ng ending and beginning. Ending on the first half of the year, beginning sa second half of the year, no? So ibig sabihin nun, kailangan niya siguraduhin, no, kung ano yung gusto niya. Minsan, no, may experience muna nila yan due to some endings and disappointments from others, no? Tsaka palang makapag-start anew.
Okay, medyo bilisan natin ng konti po. Ito, Virgo and then Libra.
Okay, so Virgo, may eclipse, no? Transformation for Virgo, and take care of their health.
Okay, Libra.
Okay, Libra, similar sa Taurus, no? A time for renewal and tuning in, no? With regards to relationship.
Scorpio and then Sagittarius.
Okay, Scorpio, generally speaking, okay, so swerte siya sa first half of the year, but not as swerte as Cancer, no? So basically, it's an okay year.
Just okay, but you can do better. Okay. Sagittarius.
Okay,
Ayan si
Sag,
partner.
Panghuli.
Okay,
Oo.
Sag is the, hindi pa huli, no?
Ay, hindi pa.
May
The Sag is the
Capricorn,
luckiest.
Aquarius,
Ay,
and
sorry,
Pisces.
oo, tama.
I think,
Luckiest?
I think is the
Wow.
luckiest sign, no?
Oh.
Kasi yung lucky planet niya, parehong getting stronger within the year. So ngayon, pag lucky, grab more opportunities.
Eh kung makasama mo, dumikit ka lang kay Mix, matatransfer ba yon? Kasi partner ko siya. Oo, diba?
Pwede naman.
Ano nga?
You can try.
Okay, Capricorn.
Okay, Capricorn, ano? Ang Capricorn, medyo madaming lessons ngayon kasi yung ruler niya is getting weaker, no? So medyo kailangan bantayan ng mga structures, no? Structures, boundaries, budget, no? Time.
Okay, and Aquarius.
Aquarius, similar sila ng ruler, no? So again, same thing, no? Budget, time management, no? Pero sa Aquarius may additional energy coming from its modern ruler, which is Uranus, genius, no? So matatalino pa, no, yung mga Aquarius.
Oh, and last but not the least, mga Pisces, itaas natin ang ating bandera.
Okay. Pisces, no? Good news sa Pisces,
Oh,
no?
yes.
Kasi
Ayan.
I think this week, 14, no? Nung 14th, no?
Okay.
Umalis na yung the planet of difficulty sa sign ng Pisces. So medyo makakahinga na yung mga Pisces ngayon. The first half of the year is
thank
even
God.
lucky. Is even
Tama.
lucky.
Nagkaroon ka ng mga
Difficulty.
difficult times, di ba?
Oo
Tapos
nga.
na. O, di ba?
Parang guminhawa yung aking
Oo
pakiramdam
nga.
ngayon.
Oo, kasi nung start of the year, medyo
Start of the
daming
year,
iniisip
medyo dami
eh.
kong ginawa eh. Oo.
Exactly. Ngayong week lang. Natapos.
Wow! Bibili na ako ng ano ba? Pampaswerte. And before we end this interview, since Year of the Fire Horse, kanina nasabi ko nga po, your advice to everyone, kasi I remember you mentioned na dapat hinay-hinay tayo sa ating emotions dahil magiging emotional daw itong year na to.
Yes, no, that's correct, no, kasi the fire horse, no, parang impulsive, no, prone to anger, no. So yun yung dalawa siguro kailangan natin i-control. Impulsiveness sa spending, no, maybe because of whatever reason, tapos yung impulsiveness to react, no, to certain situations. So slow down, breathe in, breathe out, no, before you react.
Ayun.
Alright.
Naku, marami po tayong natutunan. Maraming salamat sa ating Filipino astrologer, Resty Santiago.
Okay,
Baka may message pa kayo.
yeah, sure.
for the
Thank you.
year.
Magkakaroon tayo ng webinar on how to use
yes.
feng shui, no? So just send me a message, no? Just send me a message dito sa Hatubig, no? At sa FB or Filipino Astrologer sa FB for a seminar on how to maximize the chi for 2026.
Yung hatubig. Bakit nga ba hatubig?
Hangin at tubig.
Ayun.
Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Maraming salamat po at Happy Chinese New Year po sa inyong lahat.